Alright, I told him, throw it in the foam, and guess what? He got his first, what is that, a bull trout? Good job, first cast. Alright, we got beautiful footage going on here. Cast it up over there, brought it right around, right beside me, bang! Got a nice cutty, look at that, there's the red gashes, that's a nice cutty. The crankbait's 1/3 his size, there you go. That goes to show you, 1/3 his body size. Alright, look at this. Look how clean the water is. Got a nice rocky on there, tossed it in, boom, got one on the bottom hook. Yeah, he just hammered it. Little piggy, yum yum. Nice little Rocky Mountain whitefish. And he inhaled it. We'll get the hooks out and we'll show you the fish. Got the Rocky undone. Now isn't that a nice little Rocky Mountain whitefish? Nice setting. Just casting it out there. They're really biting short today, so I'm going to get that guy back in there, see if we can catch another one. And what we're using today is flies on a bottom rig. Kind of like a homemade pickle rig. Let's get them in there and catch some more fish. Alright, I got the bull trout like I said. Tossed it in there. He just hammered a crank. Came up in the chute, turned around and hammered it. Came out from nowhere. Here we go. Look at that. The big bull trout. Got the crankbait in his mouth. Nice big bully. Yeah. Awesome fish. See, I'm going to get the release and I'll show you the fish. Okay, we're going to get the fish released. Show you the big bull trout. Alright, nice big bully. See if I can get him released here. He hammered it, crankbait. Alright. There you go, I'll show you the fish, and then we'll get him nice and released. Look at those beautiful colors. Nice spots, white leading edges on the tail, rounded head. You can tell that's a bull trout. Not bad. He's about 2 foot long. So I'm going to get him back in the water. Nice. There he goes, just like that. So stick with us, sharp hooks, tight lines. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's show on the Highwood River. My brother and I got a few fish. Struggled along, but we got them. So stick with us, sharp hooks, tight lines. See you next week.